Welcome to the expose. Everything is okay. Eye of truth. Oh, hey. So today's the big day. Who it is, how it is, life's a glitch. This whole entire situation, I spent a lot of time solving those puzzles. This whole Cicada 3301 mystery, it's absolutely bonkers, my friends. Beware false paths. And, well, we're sitting here now, aren't we? Right into the fucking danger zone. What the fuck? Alternate reality game. Fake puzzle, new puzzle. Be smart about what you're about to do, Thomas.